My dear technicians, you're welcome to my new video. This is a Mobile Tech, and today here with me is Villaon V211. And the problem with this phone is that it's suffering from shorts. Customer brought the phone that is not powering on, but after I tested, I troubleshoot the phone, I discovered that it is having a short. So current cannot actually go in. So now I'm going to test it with my multimeter for you now to see that it is actually suffering from shorts. Okay, I'm going to test it for you now so that you can see that it is actually having a short. So I'm testing my multimeter probe to be sure that yes. So now we're going to test it in a forward reading. Can you see? So it's like now you can see. So now let's test the forward reading. You can see it's actually having a short. Now let's take the reverse reading now. Can you see? The reverse reading is also reading short. So now we're going to open the phone now. Let's dismantle the phone now and then find the cause of this problem. Because whenever there's a short on the phone, current cannot enter. Okay? No voltage can penetrate in as long as there is a short inside. So now let's open the phone. This is Villaon 211. Villaon V211. So please remove the PCB very gently so that you don't damage any other components inside. Okay. So now I'm done removing the PCB. All right. Can you see? I'm done removing the PCB. So now I'm still going to take the reading again. I'm going to take my reading. Can you see it is reading full shots? Can you see? It's still reading full shots. Can you see? So now we're going to trace what could be the cause of these shots. Now I'm going to use my shot killer to detect, if possible. I'm going to use my shot killer. For first thing, I'm going to brush the panel. Let me brush the panel first before using my shot killer. I'm going to brush the panel very well. Please be conscious of the mouthpiece. Whenever you're brushing your panel, your PCB, make sure the chemical doesn't get in touch with the mouthpiece so that it doesn't damage the mouthpiece. Okay. So now I'm done brushing the PCB. You can see I'm done brushing the PCB now. Can you see it is clean now? It is clean. Can you see? It's clean. So I'm making sure that there's no dirt on it. So now I'm going to return the chemical back into the container and keep it aside. And let's proceed further into troubleshooting and find out the cause of this short. So now I'm zooming in. So now I'm going to use my short killer, all right, on this and see if it's a partial short. It's going to be removed by the short killer, and if it is a full shot, we are going to know where it's coming from. Okay. So now I'm getting my shot killer. Use my shot killer. In case if you don't know what shot killer is, watch my video, check my channel. The video is there. So now can you see? Can you see? Use my shot killer. Can you see? It is working. So now, so this green is the positive and the other color, the other blood is the negative. So now let's go. One to go. Can you see? Can you see the smoke coming out from the battery connector? Can you see? Can you see? This is a full shot. Can you see? If I should continuously put it on that terminal, it's going to burn that terminal because this is a full shot. So now, let me still go again. Let me still go again so that you see it very well. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see the smoke coming out and the spark? Can you see? This is a full shot. Can you see? So now I'm going to trace. I want to do a physical inspection to see. Let me do a physical inspection to see if there are physical damages. Let's check. Let's check. My dear technician, I've seen something here. Can you see this capacitor? Look at this capacitor. This is the charging section, this is the charging IC, and this is the resistor. But you see this capacitor I'm pointing, this one, this capacitor. That capacitor looks suspicious. Though in electronics, there are times you cannot judge the physical appearance by its work. But for the sake of troubleshooting, we are going to remove that capacitor and check if there will still be short or not. Okay, let's remove the capacitor and test the phone if there's still going to be a short or not. Okay, I'm not judging the capacitor because of the appearance alone, but for the sake of troubleshooting, I'm removing it and checking the PCB again. Let me keep it aside. I'm not throwing it away. Let me keep it aside. All right. So now let me dress the position. Let me dress the position very well. So now let me use my short killer. Let me use my short killer if there's still going to be a short or not. 1, 2. Remember, this green is my positive. So now 1, 2, go. Go now. Can you see? My dear technicians, there's no more smoke coming out from the terminal. Can you see? Can you see? That means there's no short anymore. So now let me put on the torchlight of the phone and still plug in my short killer. Let me see. Okay. So now I'm going to put it now. Let me put it now. 1, 2, go. Can you see? The phone is now bringing out light. Can you see? So that means our short is gone. So that capacitor was actually responsible for the full short. So now we are going to use the phone battery and try to power on the phone and see. Let me turn on the touch, turn off the touch. So now let's try to power on the phone to see. Let's try to power it on to see. Okay. Now, let's power it on now. 1, 2, go. Can you see? The phone has actually powered on. Can you see? So now you can see our phone is working perfectly now. Can you see? It's working perfectly. So this is how you remove short. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if you're having any challenge, please put it in the comment section. If you have any question, any comment, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. You can see all the buttons are working perfectly. See you again in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.